Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy, NEET-level NEET YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. So, we are almost 10 days to go for your NEET final battle. How you are preparing? How is your Josh? Just tell me in the chat box. How is your Josh? A thumbs up and fire emoji here. From Infinity Lens Sri Chaitanya Academy NEET YouTube channel, we are providing all concept classes and revision classes and strategy classes and also rapid fire of multiple choice questions. It is especially for you. In this last 10 days course, what I suggest you, don't try to read anything new, never and ever, big no for that, and just recall the formulas and if possible take a mock test and stay your energy up, stay healthy, stay hydrated. And this is the crucial period where the students are going to just overthink. So overthinking is going to be potentially damaged. So I suggest you be motivated and just practice MCQ classes with us. And today we are going to discuss about the most expected organic chemistry MCQs from various chapters, especially for today's amines. How you are doing? Those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends, subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy NEET Infinity Learn YouTube channel. How are you all, my dear students? So did you get this what do you say, entry tickets, like you can say NEET score, NEET admit cards, right? So check your centers and check your distance and plan accordingly. So last and final battle. So in the NEET examination, I just want to say here, physical chemistry ka, just see the formulas and see the logics, and graphs are very important. For inorganic chemistry, see the orders, melting point, boiling point, ionization energy, acidic strength and basic strength, hydrides, oxides. And for organic chemistry, just to see the reagents and what reagent gives rise, what product, इसका condition क्या हो सकता है. General organic chemistry का जो topics आता है ना, इसके हिसाब से जाना पड़ता है बच्चों. And so this is the way you have to do. Nothing new you can do. Those things you already knew, those only you just revise it, and without any delay, I just want to start the class with organic chemistry. And in that organic chemistry, give the answer along with me ताकि आपको पता चलेगा, decision taking tendency आपको बढ़ जाता. So just tell the answer, let it be wrong. I'm going to correct you whatever the wrong if you have, but I can say. So here it is a statement based question, statement 1 and a statement 2. Picric acid is more acidic than benzoyl alcohol. This is your picric acid. And what is benzoyl alcohol? CH2OH with benzene. So this is more acidic. Do you say it is correct? Yes, phenols are more acidic than alcohol, so it is correct. And the boiling point of methoxymethane, ether, and ethanol. So alcohols has a more boiling point than ethers, because alcohol can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Therefore, I want to say this is a wrong statement. While you are answering the questions in the NEET examination, follow the same method meticulously. So इसका आंसर आ सकता है आपका assertion, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. I would say option 2 is the correct answer. Hope you understand. Hope you understand, bacho. Clear? And expecting you guys to give the answers in the chat box. That would be very good. It's not a recorded session, it's a live interactive session, so that you can communicate with you, with us, okay, so that interaction we can clarify the doubts, so ताकि आपको बाकी बच्चों लोग को भी फायदा होगा. And बच्चों, come on, next one more question. Who will answer this question, you or me? Benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is what is called as a Hinsberg reagent. Hofmann bromamide reaction. So Hofmann bromamide reaction is the primary preparation of primary amines. So whenever R C double bond O NH2 amide is taken, if you treat with NaOH and Br2, ruthlessly you can remove this, you are going to get a primary amine with one number carbon less. This is called Hofmann degradation or Hofmann bromamide reaction. So that it is going to be 2. And carbyl amine reaction. What is carbyl amine reaction? Primary amine, when it is treated, let it be aromatic and aliphatic, CHCl3 and potassium hydroxide, you are going to get phenyl isocyanate. So you are going to get isonitrile, and it is deadly poisonous. Cyanates and isocyanates are poisonous. Isocyanates has a very bad smell. That is a test for primary amine, carbyl amine reaction. Test for primary amine, it is going to be 1. Gabriel-Thallemid reaction. What is a Gabriel-Thallemid reaction? It is a reaction that is helpful to do the preparation of primary amine, isocyanate intermediate, preparation of primary aliphatic amine. Here it is going to be 2. And Hofmann bromide reaction, isocyanate is the intermediate, it is going to be 4, right? Here the option is going to be this isocyanate intermediate, it is given in the NCERT. Okay, so the option for this question is going to be 3. Fine. If you have any doubt, it is given, this line is given in the NCERT bachcho, NCERT. Okay? And one more question, again assertion and reason. Tell me, will you solve or you want me to solve? Will you solve or you want me to solve? Direct nitration of aniline using concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4 gives predominantly orthonitроaniline along with small amount of para and metanitроaniline. Reason, in the strongly acidic nitration mixture, aniline is largely protonated. In anilinium ion is going to get, which is deactivating, and it is a meta director. When aniline is nitrated, so the basic group of amino is going to be protonated, so that you are going to get NH3 plus, and which is a meta director. So ortho director, meta director. When nitration is taking place, aniline, appreciable amount of meta nitro product is also formed. So I want to say it is going to be A is false. How it is A is false? Direct nitration of aniline using this one gives predominantly orthonitроaniline. It is correct. It is correct. Ortho 51%, meta 47%. Ortho is going to be answer 2 is correct. Why? Because when you do nitration of aniline, HNO2, HNO3 and H2SO4, you are going to get a para and you are going to get a meta, you are going to get ortho, you are going to get 2%, 51% and 47%. So what I meant to say, ortho nitroaniline is not the major. So it is a logical question. So assertion is wrong and reason is correct. Are you getting or not? Yes, the genuine question that you can expect it from the NEET examination. A lot of controversies you are going to get. A lot of controversies, no controversy. Everything can be resolved by simple NCERT reference. Agree? Simple NCERT reference can give you the answer. What do you say? That's good. Fantastic. Bacho, come on. Next question here. That's a beautiful question. Here, all products are going to, all reactants are same, but it is given with different reducing agents. And what are going to be the products? What are going to be the probable products, bacho? Come on. Here, ester group can be reduced by H2 and the catalyst मान के चलो ये palladium होगा. Aldehyde and carbon to carbon double bond, all are going to be reduced. So I want to say it is going to be the 3. Clear? Any doubt? Now, when NaBH4 sodium borohydride is a reducing agent, it cannot reduce ester, it cannot reduce carbon to carbon double bond. It can reduce only aldehyde to alcohol. So I just want to say this is going to be the correct answer. So it is going to be first. When lithium aluminum hydride is used, lithium aluminum hydride is used, it can reduce aldehyde, it can reduce ester, it cannot reduce carbon to carbon double bond. That is the reason why I reduced aldehyde and ester. So double bond is not reduced. So I just want to say it is going to be 4. Dibol H. Dibol H is a reagent that is used to reduce cyanides and esters into its corresponding aldehyde. Okay, and the aldehyde is not reduced, double bond is not reduced. So I just want to say it is a 2. So it is going to be A3, B2, B1, C4, D2. So the answer for this question is going to be second answer is the correct answer for this question. Hope you all understood this. It's a super question, and NEET examination, this is the model of the question that you're going to expect it. Clear? Any doubt, bacho? Any doubt? So absolutely, this is the important model of the question. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the chat box. Just moving ahead, one more question it is for you. Come on, make it fast, bacho. And yes, this we did it. And one more question. So nitrobenzene is treated with Cl2 FeCl3. You are going to get metachloronitrobenzene. Now it is treated with SnHCl, chlorine, NH2. It is treated HNO3, HNO2, so diazonium salt. It is treated with a C2H5OH reduction. So you will be getting chlorobenzene. So this is your C. Among this is your B and this is your A. So most reacted towards acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. I mean to say, among A, B, C, which is more reactive in Friedel-Crafts acylation? Of course, I would say this is more reactive. Option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt, bacho? Clear? Any doubt? That's good, fine. So like this, we will be discussing continuously about some important models. So we are not providing I want to say any marketing purpose or promotions also we are not doing, any advertisement also we are not doing in this NEET YouTube channel here. But we are giving you the best advices, but subject content delivery. So my dear students, please use these sessions for your betterment to get a very good score in your NEET examination. We are always with you in a journey towards your dream medical college. So please follow our sessions and please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. Okay, so moving ahead, one more question. So what you're going to get? I want the answer from you in the chat box, bacho. In this is cyclohexane. When it is treated with KMnO4, alkene is going to give you its corresponding carboxylic acid. When it is treated with CaO and sodium hydroxide, you are saying this is a soda lime. It is used for decarboxylation. Hi Jyoti, and I want to say this is going to be eliminated, decarboxylated, so that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So alkane is going to be formed. This is called answer 2 is the correct answer. Calcium oxide, sodium hydroxide, this mixture is called soda lime. This mixture is called soda lime. Okay, the answer for this question is option 2. Jyoti, got your mistake? How to answer the question? So those who are online, please like the session. Jyoti, please like the button. Okay, one more question we will do. One more thing, right? Are you ready to do that? Are you ready to do that? And you just see, this is ethyl benzene, right? This is ethyl benzene. When ethyl benzene is brominated in the presence of lime, so it undergoes free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. In this free radical substitution reaction, CH and CH3, and you got it a benzene, right? So bromine is formed, benzyl hydrogen is reacted here. When it is reacted with FeBr3 in the presence of dark, so electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction takes place. ताकि इसका आएगा मेजर मान के चलो ये पैरा प्रोडक्ट में होगा CH2 and CH3 and Br. So the reactivity of B and C, this is your C and that is B, towards aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aqueous sodium hydroxide होगा तो कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा? न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन होगा, ताकि इसका SN1 मान के चलो और SN2 होगा, जो भी है. So benzyl halide is more reactive. B is greater than C. So this is aromatic halide, never and ever undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction unless you have a strong electron withdrawing group. B is greater than C. Option is going to be 4. Option is going to be 4 for this question. Yes, Sahil, how are you? Namaste. How are you? That's good. Jyoti? Right. Now, one more question is waiting for you. It is the question, you tell me answer for this question. अच्छा है, नीट का प्रिपरेशन कैसा चल रहा है, हालत कैसा है? सो बढ़िया सा में ठीक है. थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंड यू टेल मी, द reagent is used for converting into primary alcohol into carboxylic acid. Primary alcohol into carboxylic acid. In that scenario, what could be the X and what cannot be? See, right? So you want to say strong oxidizing agent, chromic anhydride H2SO for strong oxidizing agent, and it is, this is a Pyridium chlorochromate, it is a mild oxidizing agent. It is a mild oxidizing agent. अगर mild oxidizing है ना तो RCH2OH PCC का हिसाब से RCHO बनेगा ना. Are you getting on it, बच्चों? Pradeep Singh, how are you? Pradeep Singh. और एक क्वेश्चन है, आंसर आ सकते हैं कि ऑप्शन 1 का है, ठीक है. एंड और एक क्वेश्चन है बेटा, सो COCl CHO CH3 CHO फिर भी. The above sequence consists of 3 named reactions. Identify the named reaction that is not involved in the sequence. So I want you to give the answers in the sequence. Come on, jaldi करना बेटा. प्रदीप सिंह, साहिल. So whenever COCl, carbonyl chloride, benzoyl chloride is converted into benzaldehyde, you can use PDBASO4. This is what is called Rosenmund. You can use the Rosenmund, okay. And this benzaldehyde is converted into toluene. You can use NH2 and NH2 and KOH. You can use this Wolff-Kishner reduction. And toluene is converted into benzaldehyde by using CrO2Cl2. Okay, in the presence of CS2 is a solvent. It is called as ETARD reaction. This is what you can say ETARD reaction. उसमें आपको देख सकते हैं वोल्फ-किशनर रिडक्शन, ETARD रिडक्शन एंड रोजनमंड रिडक्शन. उसमें स्टीफन रिडक्शन कहाँ से निकला? So my answer for this question is not involved is 4th option. So when you solve the NEET examination paper, you need to do this much meticulously to get the best score in the NEET 2026. Fine. Pradeep Singh, hope you are understanding. You can do this, right? Fantastic. And one more question, beta. Here, what is the correct order of reactivity in the following compounds? In nucleophilic substitution reaction when treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide. So this is a super important compound, and in the NEET examination you will be having this kind of discussion. Yes, of course, the best. When you talk about a nucleophilic substitution reaction either by alkyl or aryl, you can use either SN1 or SN2. You are going to have alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. But these are all haloarenes. So when it goes to the haloarenes, SN-AR reactions, so withdrawing group plays a crucial role because of this electron withdrawing nature. इस carbon atom पे positive charge बढ़ जाता. So that aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, so fluorides is more reactive than chlorides is more reactive than bromides is more reactive than iodides. So I want to say 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3 is greater than 4. So the answer is very important, and this answer goes to be key. Answer 1 is the correct answer. It's very important. Moving ahead here, one more question. The correct order of nucleophilic substitution reaction of the following compounds with sodium hydroxide. So with sodium hydroxide, nucleophilic substitution reaction SNAR, these are all aromatic halides, is directly proportional to electron withdrawing groups present at ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions. So here I want to say ortho and para position strong electron withdrawing groups are there, and ortho you have. So I want to say D is greater than C, and it is electron releasing group. It is an electron releasing group. So it decreases. B is the least and A is the more than B. So D, C, A, B. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt, bachcho? Yes, one more question over here. The structure of the products of the following. Para-nitrotoluene, when it is treated with CrO2Cl2, what is this reaction? You tell me. Bacho, come on. It is etol reaction. This is etol reaction. So it is going to be NO2 and it is going to be CHO. So it is going to be option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the option 3. नाइट्रो ग्रुप का कुछ नहीं होगा, right? Now one more question, here it is. I want to say match the list 1 with list 2. Here it is given different amines in the list 1 and their pKb values. You check the basic nature. Basic nature. In the basic nature increases, Kb value increases, pKb value decreases. I mean to say strong base will have the least pKb value. So most basic is going to be N-methyl ethanamine. Then it comes to be N-ethyl methanamine. Then it comes to be benzenamine 3.27 and phenyl methanamine, that is going to be this one, and it is going to be answer 1 is the correct answer for this question. And moving ahead, which of the following compounds give both tolerance and failings test? Both tolerance and failings test. This is the one being an alkyl aldehyde, tolerance and failings test will be given, and it is given a ketone, will not be given either, and benzaldehyde, it gives a tolerance test but not a failings test. So I want to say A only, option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Fine. And Schiff's base among the following is. Schiff's base among the following is. What is Schiff's base? Or CHO, when it is treated with alkyl amine, you are going to remove this hydrogen and oxygen is water. It gives rise R CH double bond N and it is R. This is called N-alkyl imine or Schiff's base, you can say. N-alkyl imine, answer going to be 3. If this is called oxime, okay, this is called imine. Are you getting or not? And one more question, most suitable reagent to form pure alkyl chloride from alcohol among the following. All can give you alcohol to alkyl chloride. When you treat with SOCl to thionyl chloride, the side products that are going to be formed SO2 and HCl. So thionyl chloride. So the answer is going to be thionyl chloride is the best suitable reagent that can convert alcohol to its corresponding alkyl chloride. Pradeep Singh, hope you understand clear. So like this, following are the 4 molecule PQRS. Which among the 4 molecule we react with HBr at the fastest rate? It is an electrophilic addition reaction. When these are going to form their corresponding cations, if we see this structure Q, it can give you the possible cation like this, and it is going to be resonance stabilized, and you have a super stable plus mesomeric effect. Therefore, I want to say Q is the correct answer. Option 2 is the answer for this question. Hey Rahan, namaste. Rehan, hope you're doing this fine, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. I am solving the most important, more expected questions from the NEET examination right now. So let's see the next question here. Which of the following compounds will not give iodoform test? Who will answer this question? Which will not give iodoform test? This will give iodoform test, ethyl alcohol. So methyl ketones and secondary alcohols with methyl group can give you. Me fine, thank you. Sajad. Okay. So this is also having methyl ketone, it will give you, and this is also having methyl ketone, can give you. Carboxylic acid, do not give this. Carboxylic acid, do not give this iodoform test. So for this question, I want to say key is going to be 3. Believe me, this question may not come directly in your NEET examination 2026 on May 3rd. But I can say the model of the questions that you are going to expect exactly matches these levels. CH3CO, CH3CO, OH beta, this one. Okay, let's see one more question. Which of the following reaction is incorrect? Alkyne, Na liquid ammonia, transalkene anti-addition, this is correct. So whatever the reactions you see, what are the reactions you see, it is going to be from NCERT only. And CH3CO, CH3, it is a Clemmensen reduction, correct. Clemmensen reduction, correct. Alkyne Lindlar catalyst, you are going to give transalkene, that is not correct, you will get a cisalkene. So the incorrect one is this one. Let me check. Yes, it is given. So by looking at this, you can filter here itself, right? So my answer for this question is going to be option 3. Yes or no? That's good, wonderful. We are almost done here. One more, the correct order of reactivity of the following alcohol, which the HBr. So this is an electrophilic addition reaction. It follows the stability of carbocation, 1-phenyl propan, 1-phenyl propan, 1 ol, 1, 2, 3, and propan 2 ol. and 3-phenyl propan 1-ol. This is your 3-phenyl propan 1-ol and 1-phenyl propan 1-ol. You can see eraser. Among all, if it forms a carbocation, it forms a carbocation here, it forms a carbocation here, it forms a carbocation here. Benzyl carbocation is more stable than secondary than tertiary. So 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. So that is the way you can do it. And also you will be having more stable carbocation of the following options. As I mentioned, this is allyl, resonance, primary, and this is a electron withdrawing group negative inductive effect. Lone pair of electron positive mesomeric effect is going to be super stable. What do you say? What do you say? And like that you will be having so many conversions as well. Tomorrow we will be having a session with a lot of conversions, organic reagents in one shot we will be conducting. So stay tuned and stay tuned. We will have the discussions based on this only, and one day we will revise all the formulas from this physical chemistry, and one day we will be having all organic reagents, and still last day of examination also we will be giving support. Okay, so those who are online, please like the session and please share with your friends, and stay well and do the best in the NEET 2026. Okay, signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Sri Chaitanya Academy, Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. Thank you very much.